Stop drowning in scattered papers and start designing dynamic lessons with Microsoft Teams. First, launch Microsoft Teams and select the specific class team you're creating a lesson plan for. Think of this team as your digital classroom hub. Next, within your team, create a channel dedicated to the subject or unit your lesson plan will cover. Click the plus button to add a tab. This keeps your lessons organized and easy to find. Now, select either the Wiki or OneNote app to create your lesson plan document. Both are great for organizing information, but OneNote offers more advanced features. Begin outlining your lesson by adding sections for learning objectives, activities, assessment strategies, and required resources. Think of this as the blueprint for your lesson. Upload or create any supporting documents directly within the channel's Files tab, such as worksheets or presentations, to keep all materials in one place. Create assignments and quizzes directly within the Assignments tab, then link them to the corresponding section in your lesson plan for easy student access and streamlined grading. Embed multimedia content, link to external resources, and include interactive quizzes directly within your lesson plan to enhance student engagement and provide a richer learning experience. Encourage real-time discussions by posting questions and prompts in the channel, fostering a collaborative and interactive learning environment for your students. Finally, share your completed lesson plan with colleagues for review and co-teaching by simply sharing the link to the Wiki or OneNote page within Teams. By mastering these techniques, Microsoft Teams becomes your centralized hub for all lesson planning needs, saving you time and promoting an efficient learning environment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Teams tips.